Try not to laugh challenge.
Take 2.
Yeah, try to. So, my sister's gonna try to make us laugh because my brother was being a brat about it, as usual. So.
I want to do the ice bucket challenge after this.
Yeah, it is hot out here.
Should do the ice
Anyways,
bucket. Wait, I have to go home soon.
so.
Ask my mom to pick me up. My dad gets off at 3:30. I have to go home until.
So.
Okay.
Yeah. Get it ready, Kim. It's gonna be a long while. Yeah. It's getting really warm. I can't keep it in my mouth too long. Now I got a really bad taste. Okay. Cold water.
Mine and Kim's turn.
Ew!
Come over here! Alright, Kim. Kim, touch her.
Here's your ball.
YouTube, I gotta tell you something after.
Whoa, wet chair!
That's
because you squirted me. It was, no, that is not.
Okay, ready, set, go.
You gotta try to make each other laugh. I forgot, I've seen a video of this. You're not doing anything. I'm trying to make you laugh. I'm trying to make you laugh. You're not doing anything. You're just sitting there like.
Okay, I won't do anything. Go like this. I'll do it for you. No, just go.
got some on my iPad. And yes, that is why I have such horrible videos. They're off of my horrible iPad. Hey, go. Go, Kim. Come on!
Wait, right down my bra, girl. Uncomfortable feeling of the world. Don't do it, Casey. She's the one that's doing it right here. Go, go, go!
That's the cameraman!
I knew you were a man.
Yep, John right there. I can't scream like that on purpose.
Some of my spit water went in that frame. Did I keep
Not the lace.
Oh yeah, the lace.
Grandma got her shirt. You better run. If you're gonna say anything, say it now.
Oh, okay. So at the beginning, me and Kim were trying to play a prank on Casey and put hot sauce in her water. That's the red stuff that you looked at. But she, of course, she had to see the red stuff and dumped it out.
Because I'm smart.
No, because you didn't even know what it was, and we were gonna put hot sauce in it.
So?
So we're supposed to prank you. You suck. My bra's all wet now.
I'm smart. Bye, YouTube!
Bye, YouTube.
Bye,
Felicia.